Your boy talking like we don't know.
Never will you ever be able to fuck with me. Never will I ever stop bustin', I'm making heat. Whenever I retire, I'ma still be making beats. Shit that keep your head bobbing, keep moving your feet.
Can never claim to be a gangster, nigga, just gangster. Now take a sip of something, let me entertain you. This funk is for them rowdy niggas, liable to shank you. A cock back blast with no questions asked, so just hold tight. Don't let the liquor run your whole night. Don't let a second of courage fuck up your whole life. I play the cut and analyze the view. Push up my glass to acknowledge just the chosen few. Cause I don't fuck with many, especially the tough ones off a glass of Henny. Especially the ones always frontin' that don't have a penny. I run with niggas that demand respect, and I'm a boss bitch, most y'all can't handle that. All you can do is watch it glide. It take a special type of nigga bout something that can stop a stride. Cause I can't respect the nigga that's soft, and I bet y'all never seen it coming. Me and my nigga Nate, dog.
Come closer and close.
Февраля 23 года. Впереди Freeride World Tour Квалификация, которая будет проходить сегодня-завтра. Ну и на погоду несколько дней ближайших на Альпике. Ну и вот. Вот здесь вот будет проходить вот квалификация по моему споту привычному от старой Альпики. Вот здесь вот я поеду, скорее всего. Так. Здесь уже райдеры закрывают проезд. Это, скорее всего, уже аккредитованные туда идут.
No matter where you from, same rules and regulations apply. The G code. Yeah. All I bang is that trip shit. Trip this. Big Snoop Dogg with my cousin Trick. Put the hammer to your biscuit, to your biscuit. Jam with the jelly, selling grams at the telly. On the celly with the flit nut. Kid nut. If you really want it, come and get it on the dinner. 20 gang, 4 life. All my niggas locked down, no I got them locked. It's a new game, a new day. We even got homies in Akron and OK. See, and I'm the G that go and see 'em. Holla at a nigga on the deal. All I know is to bang the beach. 40 years, nigga, banging the east. And I can't stop and I won't stop. Even though I got a grip, still 20 crip. Yeah. I don't hang in my hood, but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back.
You see, I'm real with my niggas. I kill for my niggas. Grew up from the turf, love doing work. I'm
Thought it was over, but X came back rolling. I got my own sack to roll, so I'm rolling.
Accept no imitation, straight losing his stack. His slimmest chances of Michael Jackson getting his black fans back. My reputation's like a Tech 9, knock out the best in the circle. 3 minutes wreck time, see the hand is faster than the eye can chase it. Dre, be real, soul assassins got potential buttons activated. No illusion, I have you caught up in the rapture. Executive decisions from the motherfucking puppet master.
Cats playing games, so I'm doing raw. Run up in that fucking building, kick down the dog. I don't want no fucking problems with X. Y'all wanna see them four-legged beasts with them collars on their necks, or them niggas downstairs with the text. You know the rest. Fuck is wrong with y'all niggas, bitch? I take respect. Dog shit hot, that's why you cowards froze me quick.
This is a bitch if you rollin'. Throw it up, let me know that you with it. 6-4 chromed out, rag top rollin'.
I don't hang in my hood, but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back rolling.
You see, I'm real with my niggas. I kill for my niggas. Yeah.
6-4 chromed out, rag top rollin'.
Grew up from the turf, love doing work. I'm
Thought it was over, but X came back rolling. I got my own sack to roll, so I'm rolling.
Till I'm hitting 08 stage. Still can fill a whole page with a 10-year-old's rage. Got more fans than you in your own city. Little kitty, go play. Feel like I'm babysitting Lil Tay. Got the Diddy OKs. Jackson go to sleep 6 feet deep. I'll give you a beat for the effort, but if I was 3'11", you look up to me, and for the record, you would suck a dick to fucking be me.
Можно посмотреть склон перед соревнованиями. Стоят, кордон охраняют, чтобы не катались по склону. И если я иду сейчас в направлении, там где будет завтра, если будет погода, проходить Freeride World Tour Квалификация 6 февраля 2023 года, то там, естественно, катать нельзя, но можно будет в Шумихинский цирк сегодня, в общем, катнуть, сделать 2 КП. Можно сегодня посмотреть линии завтрашнего старта Freeride World Tour Квалификация, которая проходит на Альпике. Ну и катнуть вечером брифинг. И завтра будет, если будет погода, если не будет, то безопасно.
If you scared to add the big fish to your playlist now, enemies of this industry, I'm a Hall of Famer, treated like a stranger. Fuck that, another West Coast banger. Who gives a fuck if they play it in Virginia? I'ma play it on Danker, play it on Western. All up and this will make your head turn. Motherfuckers wanna take our style and run that shit 3,000 miles. Then rub the shit all in our face. This award show all at our place. Damn, hell no, the pyroclastic flow is evident. And y'all know what I represent. Know that you with it. 6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
I don't hang in my hood, but I'm banging my hood.
Niggas thought it was over, but X came back rolling.
You see, I'm real with my niggas. I kill for my niggas. Yeah.
6-4 chromed out, rag top rolling.
Grew up from the turf, love doing work. I'm
Thought it was
feeling
over, but X came back rolling. I got my own set to roll, so I'm rolling.
Pissing on they self when the real niggas drop. While they rolling in they shit, hitting corners on the block. Niggas fresh out the pen with 2 strikes. Be bumping this real shit every fucking night. It's alright, niggas. It's too hard, motherfuckers on the streets. It's the nigga MC Red and the nigga Easy. Fucking Candy Folk, beat that ass with the switch, then blast on the bitch who was all in my shit. Is that nigga Red back for the 9-5? They said real niggas was dead, but this nigga be alive. So I'm putting it down with that nigga E for all of my niggas in the CPT. So here we go again with part 3 of the script. Make